Okay, your condition is, sir, I created one update set. I did some job. I moved to test. Now I feel like I missed something to do. So I will remove it in test, then come back to dev, open the update set and put it in progress, do the remaining
Yes.
part and then move. Correct?
Yes. Correct.
It is, you can do it 100%, but back out is dangerous.
Okay.
So never ever do it. Better you create another update set, move that also one by one. Okay, see here,
Okay.
tomorrow we will see something called best practices. Okay, there we will see little deeper. All these things will come again. Okay, generally what happens is, okay, if we do normally, it makes our job very smooth, right? If we do something deviated, it makes more complex. If something happens in the same situation, no, like back out thing or whatever it is, to rectify that issue, we need to spend hours and hours. Instead, simple thing is create a new one and then move it. That's it. Until we face that scenario, we can't even think like, okay, this is this much hard. We would have do like this. Correct na, everyone? I
Yeah.
will tell you, ma. Tomorrow we will see the same answer. For now, I am saying like this, but tomorrow I will tell you very deeply. You will understand it. Why I said no. Okay. Okay. There is a proverb, you know, right? Everyone. Don't see my English. Okay. Stitch. Stitch. Stitch means what is stitch? If cloth torn, na, you do stitch, right? Needle stitch. What is the meaning? Stitch. In time saves 9. Anyone heard this one? Stitch, stitch. Anyone heard this proverb? So, in intermediate, na, if you are a Telugu medium intermediate student, okay, 4 marks, you need to write a paragraph. They will give a proverb. You need to write a paragraph. Okay. So, in my batch, this was very important proverb. Okay, where I by hearted. That time I don't know the meaning. I know the meaning, but what I by hearted, what I written, I don't know because I am not English student. Okay, Telugu medium student, intermediate. So what it tells is, if you have a kind of cloth where it tears, if you do it in time, okay, it will solve there only. But if you avoid to stitch in time, okay, it will become bigger. You need to put instead of one stitch, 9 stitches. Correct? Guys, correct? We do it, right?
Yes, sir.
In day-to-day life, we do it, right? We ignore the small mistakes and the mistakes will become bigger and then we have to put a lot of efforts to solve it. Correct? Our ego issues, our relationships, so many things, right? Correct, everyone? Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay. So this also same way. Okay. If we compromise somewhere, okay, they becomes very big things in life. Sometimes it will go for an escalation where you can't get it back. So what if the back out failed? You try to do back out, it failed. So that time how you will do? Or you are trying to move an update set to test after backing out, and this update set is not allowing to move further. Says it is already there, I can't commit it. Then what you do? Right? You're understanding, ma? Okay. So instead, simple thing is create another one and move it. You don't do any extra time. Fine. Anything else, team? Any questions, please? It's a good question. Okay. My answer will be.
So by this, I have one question, sir. So if you are deleted in test, then we are in dev. We have 3. Instead of 3, we can update the update systems from 3 to 4. Then
Iteration.
saved, and we can.
No, no. You are saying why that number, sir? This is what your question, huh?
No, version. We can change the version and we can move if it is not allowed in test environment.
How we change the version?
We are creating a new 3. Now we are
No,
creating 3, sir, version
wait.
3.
It's not about the update set here. What is there inside the update set is the matter. Correct? So let's say, think the second level. Okay, see the second layer actually. Okay, so there is a dictionary. Okay, so you captured it in X update set. You moved it. It is there
Yes, sir.
in test. Now in
Yes,
X
sir.
you removed it. Means backed out. Right? I am saying back out is dangerous part because it won't be 100% clean sometime. Okay.
Got it,
So
sir.
now you backed out. Now you came back to X and then you changed the X only. Okay, inside X dictionary is there. Now you are trying to move the X again to test. And now system is telling you like I can't allow you to commit this update set because I already found this one. You can't move it. Something. So you stuck now because this dictionary have the same sysid.
Okay, all sysid related. Okay,
Correct,
sir.
no?
Now it's clear.
Right.